Hello friends, good to see you on another edition of Footprints. Today I'm going to be sharing with us what I call peer pressure. I'm sure you are not hearing it for the first time, but we have wrongly concluded that peer pressure is peculiar to a certain age, teenage age, young people, but actually peer pressure is not limited to age. And what's peer pressure? Peer pressure is the influence of our friends and our colleagues on us. And the truth of the matter is that all of us are pressured by our social relationship. Pastors are pressured, men are pressured, women are pressured to want to be like their friends. Men are pressured to want to be like their friends. In fact, that is causing a lot of crisis in homes and marriage. Pastors are pressured to want to be like other pastors in how they lead their church, what they wear, what they speak, and what they do in programs. Okay, so friendship is a ship going somewhere, good or bad. And can I tell you that no relationship is on neutral gear. Every relationship is going somewhere. So in every social relationship, you are either influencing somebody or somebody is influencing you. And so you really have to be careful the kind of relationship you find yourself in. What's the right response to peer pressure? How can we handle it? The first thing you will have to know is that you will have to be able to stand for your value. You have to have your own value that you stand for. Because if you don't stand for something, you will fall for everything that comes your way. Some of us just go into relationship without anything guiding us, without any value guiding us. So the first thing is you will have to know what your values are really are and how to stand for your value in every relationship. The second thing is you'll have to define the purpose of every relationship you are in. People say that where there's no purpose, abuse is inevitable. And that is true even for relationship. Some relationships started well, they started fine, but because there's no purpose to guide it, there's no defining purpose, it becomes exposed to the devil and it ended the wrong way. That kind of relationship is the kind of relationship between Solomon and his plenty of wives that led him astray from God. Finally, I'd like you to know that relationship is by choice and not by force. Relationship is by choice. Friendship is by choice. So you've got to bring your decision to table before you could tag along in any relationship. So you cannot be compelled. Nobody can force you into any relationship unless you willingly give your assent to it. And so my challenge for you is that and today, of course, you know that the world is a global village. So we are making friends on social media. We are making friends from all corners of the globe. And you don't even know who you are chatting with. I love that as you go into the new year, please be careful and be guided in whatever relationship that you are going to find yourself. Proverbs 13:20 says, "He who walks with the wise become wise. Companion of fools will suffer loss." I pray for you that as you go in your relationship in the new year, you are not going to be exposed to danger. You are not going to be exposed to destruction. Thank you and God bless you. I hope this helps. I love you to share this video and pass it on to somebody that is going to bless and help. God bless you. Hello friends. I'd like to encourage you to visit our YouTube channel, OBM TV channel. Our videos are designed to help walk you through the challenge of life and help you deal with the present situation that you might be going through. I'm sure that if you visit our channel, there's a video there that is going to bless you. And please share it with friends, share it with your family, share it with church members. Help us to get the video to bless several other people around you. And if you are watching it on Facebook or WhatsApp, please share, please like. Thank you. God bless you.